popular body styles from the 80s, 1987. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Nice looking two-door, silver exterior, light gray cloth interior, 5-liter underneath the hood, so 307 V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, although the AC I've not had the compressor kick on and off, FYI. Let you get a good look at the front grille, bumper, guess front fascia if you will. Do have a little dinger down here if you didn't happen to catch that. It's one of those I would call a car you can get in, drive it, have a little fun the way it looks if you want to take it to the next level. These are getting tougher and tougher to come by. Obviously, a lot of them turned into stock cars back in the day and raced in dirt tracks. Take a look at still pictures to be able to see it from every angle. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the American Racing aluminum wheels. Do have a little bit of corrosion down here. So like I said, one of those you can take to the next level. Drive it the way it is. Get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank and spending $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 on a street ride or muscle car. Have a popular 80s classic here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Tad bit here in the trunk deck lid, FYI, if you can kind of see that. Couple spots down here in the lower rear corners. We'll fire it up here in a second too so you can hear it run. Does fire right up. Sounds good. Smooth running V8 underneath the hood. And again, you can see the pictures. See the underside of the car, engine bay, trunk, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Split bench front seat. Of course, your modern amenities you're going to have in a Cutlass Supreme for back in the 80s. Power windows. Tilt and cruise. There's some aftermarket speakers in it. Cloth appears to be in nice shape, believed to be original miles from the previous owner of this car. Although once the car becomes so old, it's tough to confirm or deny the original miles because it's marked exempt in the title. Once it becomes so old, but there's what it reads, 67,405. Five-liter fires right up. You get a good look at the dash here. Not too bad a shape. Looks like it was probably stored indoors. Headliner, nice shape. Look at that. Let's look around to the back so you can hear this run. Oh, rumble coming out of that 307. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out this engine bay, and wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a look under the hood and the engine bay. Again, 5-liter, 307 and an Oldsmobile. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components appear to be intact. They just not have had it blowing cold. You see it's still R12. That's why has not been switched over to 134. Looks pretty stock underneath there. Exception of some hoses been replaced and what have you. 1987. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call Henry, though.